I'll be damned, man. God damn. Nigga just said he was gonna gap him and then gapped him, man.
Exactly. You goddamn right. You are so right. Oh. With the mic.
Went to the track, sat at the back. Everybody looking like, where that drone at? Where your drone at? Can you record my race? I'm about to be up next. Yes.